Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to use Airtable for project management. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go to airtable.com, and that'll bring you to your home screen. And on the left-hand side of the screen here, you can create a new workspace. I'm just going to say workspace 1. And you can actually share your workspace if you want. You can email an invite to somebody to join the team and set their permission level from creator, editor, commenter, read only, and owner. This would be an editor, someone who can go in and create tasks for us and all those sort of things. Or you can create a link that you can send to someone personally. So now that we have a workspace, we're going to want to create a database. We're going to start from scratch. And that'll bring up a table with a few fields already signed in: name, notes, assignee, status. We can always add columns like email, stuff like that. You can also rename your database and choose a color theme. So we're going to make it red because that's my favorite color, and name this project management. So there you have it. We still have this blank field, but because we're doing project management, we're going to come to the left side of the screen here where it says calendar, and we're going to add a calendar. And then you can choose to share it with your collaborators, keep it personal or locked. I don't have any collaborators right now, but I'm going to keep it that way. And we're going to name this calendar 1 and just create a new view. And we're going to click on create a date field. So it wants you to create a date field. So we're just going to say event. The date is going to be the 29th of July. And you can include a time for this at, you can choose between a 12-hour where it says AM, PM, or a 24-hour where you could go as far as like 23 o'clock. I'm going to keep it with the 12-hour. And so here we can just create the field. And then we're going to click on done. And now we have a calendar that we can use. If you see, we're on the 29th. And say you wanted to add a project due on the 31st. You just come to the 31st on the screen and click this add button. And you could name an event, like go pick up supplies. And now that's added to the 31st. And so if you had an event that was due on the 25th, you could do, say, clear out storage. And now it's going to be behind where we are, which is the 29th. So this would clearly be overdue for our project. But you can customize and color the whole page. You can work a lot with different records and tables, but this is going to give you a basic layout of how to use a calendar to create a project management system. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this, like and subscribe. Thanks.